today's video. I know it's been a while. It's been like a month, I think. For my birthday, I decided to get myself a gift, and the gift that I wanted was from a thrift store called Thrive Exchange here in Boston. I believe they're opening their third store pretty soon, but it got delayed because of everything going on with this virus. But yeah, so what I got over here is a $50 mystery box. So I don't know what it is, and let's unbox it with you guys. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here is actually very nice. It looks very good. So all you have to do for these mystery boxes is tell them obviously which box you want, because it ranges to like $100 or $500. So obviously up to you. I chose the $50 one, and you tell them your size and you tell them what genre. So I put I believe was pop culture. You can do sports, you can do funky, you can have them choose what you want. So the first thing I hear in here, I honestly already love it. So it is this shirt right over here. I don't know where it's from. Band shirt, and I like it. Look at the back. 2006. But if you see up close, let me show you. Hopefully it can get it. You see that little, it's all like glittery right there. I love wearing shirts like this. Next one, it's a little bit more colorful. But let me show you. I actually like this too because I can wear these with my turban greens. I can wear these with my shiny backboards. Actually very cool, and this is how the back looks. Very nice. This, and they still got that thrift store smell. If you know what I'm talking about, and you thrift, you know. Next thing I have in here is pants, which I did not expect pants. So these are alright. I like it to wear it in the house. And also a very good choice. This is one of the more empty ones I have in here. They also do have these. So these are just some sweats. I like it just to have a pair of nice gray sweats, which I wanted for a while. I just haven't gotten around to buying it. Next thing I have in here, oh, they still have the tags from the thrift store. Let's see. Okay, next thing I have in here are these shorts. I'm not gonna wear these shorts, but I'll probably give them to my boyfriend if anything. See, and I got it for pretty much a steal, and this is very good. He's always wanted the same colorway. I think he wanted it white, but you know, this is good for the price. So yeah, guys, so this is what I have from the mystery box, and honestly, it was pretty good considering that I paid not that much. Usually like shirts like these alone cost like 30 something, and I paid $25 for this box with a coupon code, which was very good. So shout out to Thrive Exchange. Very good thrift store out here. It's a little bit more on the pricey side. It's not like your average like Boomerang or like shirts from Goodwill, but it's a little bit more expensive. But I feel like they have more streetwear clothing and clothing that you can do more with. Obviously, sometimes you can find more hits or misses, but in this thrift store, I consider it basically like a retail store, but with pieces that you will never find again. And if you do, it's very hard. Honestly, I would do this again. If you guys want to watch a part 2 to this video, just let me know. I'll do another one of these, which is very cool. So thank you guys for watching.